In primetime news this evening, thieves make off with $10 million in daring daylight robbery.
We'll explore the impact of stolen ABMs in rural communities in Westmoreland.
And later, Temple Hall, a day after 5 men die in crash. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, Pulse is a company known for fashion, and they've been doing some work regarding establishing developments at Villaranai. Now, I'll give you the latest on those projects a little later on.
And Jordan is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Giovanni, just about a week since TVJ Sports aired a story about safety concerns at sporting venues. Well, a bizarre incident where guns were drawn, forcing a cricket match to be postponed. I'll have the details in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what inconveniences did you face today when attempting to use the ABM?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.